G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I'm now on to the bathroom floor and I'll show you my set out. This tile here is going to be split from that point to nothing. Same as here, from that point to nothing. That's dead center, so I'm lucky that I've got this whole shower and going off the owner's lines what he wanted. He wanted the shower screen there. I took pictures before I waterproofed it, and he wanted the line of the shower there, so it's all worked out nicely. The bath is going about where that line is. It's all going to be open, so I'm going to be putting a water stop through here. All that can be wet area. Where the bath is going, where those levels are, I've got a 4.5 mil slope. So any water that splashes to the end of the bath and down that wall, it'll run back into the shower. With the water stop being here, it will stop any water. No water will come up the way it's angled anyway, but you still have a water stop in case, and I'll have a water stop going across the front of the door. It's all going to be sloping back into the linear drain. I start by tiling that square and then I work my way back like so, and then work my way out the door. So I'll be laying that first. The way it all works out is by starting a full tile here. I've got another one there. So I've got a nice big cut of 380, and going across this way, there's two tiles there, like so. So I have a cut of about 155, 160. Coming across here, there's 1200, 4 throughs to 12, so I have a cut of 120, which is brilliant. That cut there is 210 or 205 or whatever, so that's brilliant, absolute brilliant. It all works out lovely. So I'll mix up some glue and get started, and I'll come back to you when I've done that square and I'm cutting these. Jeff, a guy that watches my channel, he asks me how I get it straight. Well then, this is how, Jeffo. You lay your 3 tiles out, draw your line there, mark it through the intersections, the intersecting points, and you just cut it. Whooshka. Easy peasy. There's the waste for the bath. I'll just be cutting a rough square there because it all gets covered, and we're laughing. And then I'll be onto the walls tomorrow. This is Chriso. Stay tuned. There's heaps to learn, people. See you soon.